Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Workforce, updated. Sign in to your QuickBooks Workforce account, verify payroll and personal details, enable document sharing, and invite employees to view pay stubs and W-2s. Use the mobile or web interface to update direct deposit info, download pay statements, and review time-off balances. Troubleshoot common access problems by checking permissions and email invites, and contact support if secure verification fails. Open QuickBooks Workforce and sign in with the employer email or employee invitation link, then confirm your identity via email or code. Navigate the dashboard to view pay stubs, tax documents, and time-off balances, and use the search to find specific pay dates. For payroll changes, request updates through your employer and upload documents securely when prompted. Always log out of shared devices for security. Quick break, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound and voice control, and pair it with your home office for hands-free payroll checks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this as a small upgrade to your workflow setup. Now let's get back to the video. Use the Documents tab to download W-2, pay stubs, and tax forms in PDF, and save copies for your records. To change direct deposit, follow employer instructions and upload bank details through the secure form, then confirm the test or effective date shown in Workforce. If you notice errors on tax forms or pay amounts, contact Payroll immediately and provide screenshots. Keep a record of communications until corrections are confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.